Today we are working on PowerPoint number 19, apply. So this is what you should have opened up. Go ahead and save, putting your initials at the end or wherever you normally save everything. After you do that, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, so we can keep this content free. Just kidding. I'm going to say this every time. Step 3. Insert the slides from the Word outline P19 apply B at the end of the presentation and reset the slides. So go to the end, click on the last slide. Up here you should be on the Home tab. Click the down arrow on New Slides and then Slides from Outline. And then go to your PowerPoint Chapter 3 data and you're going to select P19 apply B and click Insert, and it will insert all the slides from that outline, and then reset the slides. So let's select slide 1 and then hold down the shift key and select slide 6, and then up here on the Home tab hit the reset button. Step 4 says to move slide 4 to be the first slide and apply the title slide layout. So click on slide 4 and I'm just going to drag it up to the top. There's different ways to do it. That just happens to be how I did it. Go to layout and change it to title slide. This is what you should have. Step 5 says apply the title and content layout to slides 5 and 6. So scroll down. I'm going to click on slide 5 and I'm going to hold down the shift key and select slide. So both of these are selected. I'm going to go to layout and title and content. So select title and content and it changed those two. Step 6 says to move slide 5 to be slide 3. So click on slide 5 and drag it up here to where it is now slide 3. 1, 2, 3. Step 7. Display slide 1. So click on slide 1. Use the Format Background task pane to change the background styles as follows. So 7A, first of all, click on the Design tab and then over here on the far right select Format Background, and that's going to open this up. Step A says click the color button under the Gradient Stops color bar. So right here where it says Gradient Stops, we're going to click this down arrow and we're going to change the color to white text 1. White text 1. And then it says apply the change to all the slides. So down here at the bottom of your screen it says apply to all. We're going to click that and you can see that it changed everything, every slide it changed to. Step 7B says use the file P19 apply C picture located in the data files for this lesson as a picture fill on the title slide. So up here we're still on slide 1. Click right here where it says picture or texture fill. Picture source, we're going to click insert from a file. Go to wherever your PowerPoint Chapter 3 files are, and right here P19 apply C, there's your picture. Click insert and you'll see you'll have this nice colored sky. 7C says to hide the background graphics on slide 1. So to do that, all you do is check this box right here that says hide background graphics. You see where it took those lines away when we did that. 7D says to recolor the picture by selecting dark blue background color to light. So click up here on picture color. You're going to click recolor And the one we're looking for is the bottom left-hand corner, which says dark blue background color to light. So select that, and it changed it to where it matched everything better. Step 8 says insert a date that updates automatically, slide numbers, and a footer that includes your name. And do not show this information on the title slide, but apply to all the other slides. So if we click Insert, Header and Footer, we're going to check the box that says Date and Time. We want it to update automatically. We want to include slide number. Click in the footer and type your first and last name. Check the box that says Don't Show on the title slide, because we don't want to do that. And then click Apply to All. So now if you click on each slide, you would see the date, page number, and your name on all the slides. The next thing, it says Display Slide Sorter View. So click on Slideshow, or excuse me, View, and then click Slide Sorter. We can go ahead and close this format background. Yours should look like this. The 6 slides should be in this order and have the same stuff that mine has. Step 9 says return to normal view. So I'm going to click down. You could click up here on normal. You can click down here. Doesn't matter. Goes back to normal view. Spell check and preview the presentation. So if you click review, check your spelling and grammar. Spell check complete. You can preview it by clicking up here and going through. Step 10, with your teacher's permission, print the presentation as 6 slides per page handout. So if your class does that, you would click File, Print. Where it says full page slides, you would go to 6 slides. My class, you know, we don't do that. Next step, last step, says close the presentation, saving changes, and exit PowerPoint. And so this completes apply number 19. So go ahead and submit it to be graded.